In 1919, America, Britain, France, and Italy met in Versailles to create a treaty to end the war. That's what it was for. This caused the Second World War.
Hold up, wait a minute. World War I, just a year ago. Soldiers in Europe were fighting every week or so. First modern war, it was a total war. Nation taking all their resources so that they would soar. Lasted from 1914 to 1918, caused by an assassination that shook Austrian nation. Don't forget the overall causes of the war on mania. First came the declaration of war on Serbia and the Germans versus France and Russia. Japan also declared war on Germany. British won the lead along with other countries. Only about 38 battles over the course of the war's history. Here comes the end of the wars of misery, with an armistice signed by Germany. After the war, the nations were scared of the future, so the Treaty of Versailles was seen as the only cure. Hold up.
In 1919, America, Britain, France, and Italy met in Versailles to create a treaty to end the war. That's what it was for. This caused the Second World War. Oof hurt. 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 In 1919, America, Britain, France, and Italy met in Versailles to create a treaty to end the war. That's what it was for. This caused the Second World War. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt.
Peace document signed at the end of war at the Palace of Versailles. Met everybody got out here accepted peace, so therefore we've gained all hope from the priests, depending on whether or not we heard it. So much going on, people are annoyed with it. We write it like we'll sin, we decide like friends sin, we in here as Americans, we leave it like civilians. And when the 14 points founded peace, allies demanded to stay with their peeps. And no matter where all the ally powers go, they played only a minor role. Population was reduced in the long run, at least we all swore, big four. Because when George, Clemenceau, Wilson, and Orlando made important decisions, they made us come to the conclusion that a commission assessed $33 billion. And it's upsetting that it happened, we mean it. Between us, that's a lot of money. And if they didn't pay, they had to pray. Even if they didn't understand. Hold up.
In 1919, America, Britain, France, and Italy met in Versailles to create a treaty to end the war. That's what it was for. This caused the Second World War.
Oof hurt.
Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. In 1919, America, Britain, France, and Italy met in Versailles to create a treaty to end the war. That's what it was for. This caused the Second World War. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt. Oof hurt.